In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount banner in Wix Studio. Whether you're running a special promotion or aiming to catch the eye of your customers, adding a discount banner can be an effective way to boost engagement and sales. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we need to access the Wix platform. Start by heading over to wix.com. Once there, log into your account if you haven't already. If you're new to Wix, you may need to sign up and create an account. This is essential, as you'll need access to your website's editor to make any changes. Once you're logged in, find and click on the option that says Design Site. This is your gateway to the Creative Hub, where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already accustomed to it. It's where you'll perform all the customizations for your website. Next, look for the button labeled Add Element. This function allows you to incorporate new features and design elements to your page. It's a good idea to experiment a bit with this tool, as it offers a wide variety of components like text, images, and more that can enhance your website's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Now, from the options, click on Box. Boxes in Wix are versatile components you can use to organize content, create emphasis, or, as in our case, make a striking discount banner. Once you've selected a box, your next step will be to locate the Hover Boxes option. Hover Boxes are fun because they add interactivity to your site, providing a change when a visitor hovers over the element, making it an exciting and engaging feature for your discount banner. With the hover boxes open, choose one of the available banners that suits the style and theme of your site. Wix offers various templates, so you can choose something that aligns with your overall design. It might be helpful to consider your target audience and your brand's tone while making this selection. Once your banner is on the page, it's time to make it your own. Click on the Edit Text feature within the banner. Here you can customize the message to reflect your current promotion or discount. Be sure to keep the text clear, concise, and compelling. Remember, you're trying to grab the attention of potential customers scrolling through your site. Step back and review your work, ensuring that the banner is placed correctly and the text is easily readable. Don't hesitate to tweak the design, including font sizes, colors, and layout until you're fully satisfied with the result. This editing flexibility is one of the great things about Wix Studio, as it allows you to tailor every element precisely to your needs. And that's how you add a discount banner in Wix Studio. Play around with different styles, and remember that the goal is to create something eye-catching that draws your visitors' attention while reinforcing the branding of your site. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!